long mo yan yuak na. Nang koi jam chi ma yok. Ka ada o kiri ka. Huh? Iti? Oh ka. Huh? Oh ka. Dan piak.
Apa lagi metun?
Ano to ano kan?
Apa lagi metun?
Ang men wiye to ba ang?
Nanggal. Melika. Okay. Yara ka kana miode. So the idea that the Anuak people don't have cows is a myth, and we should correct it. I'm speaking to you now from Otalo in Pochala County of Greater Peabody Administrative Area. And today is 24th of September 2025. I came here yesterday with the Deputy Chief Administrator, our Minister for Education, Advisor, Deputy Chairperson of Peace Commission, and many others in our delegation. We are on a peace mission to Otalo. So the Anuak people have cows. If you want to marry off your daughter for cows, here you are.